Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the vital world of cybersecurity. But what exactly is cybersecurity? Let's break it down. Cybersecurity is the armor that protects our digital lives. It involves safeguarding computers, servers, mobile devices, and networks from harmful attacks. As IT students, you are on the front line. Understanding these threats, ransomware, phishing, malware is crucial. But how do we fight them? The battle is waged using a variety of tools. Firewalls, antivirus software, and strong cryptographic protocols are just the start. Protection also means staying proactive, updating software regularly, enforcing strong passwords, and educating everyone on best practices. The digital world is constantly evolving, and so are its threats. As future cybersecurity professionals, your role is to stay informed and ready. Together, we can guard our digital frontiers. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights.